Hi crafters, myself and the CraftStash team would like to thank you for your ongoing support this Christmas. Thank you for your loyalty and for sharing your creativity. We've had lots of new products come from a wide range of exciting brands this year, and we have got so much more in store for 2025. We love seeing your makes online, and we also really think it's important that we hear your feedback, so make sure that keeps coming. The Boxing Day sale at CraftStash starts tomorrow, so make sure you are there for the biggest savings. Now, one more last huge thank you to our VIP members. You have been phenomenal this year. There's so many of you, and if you're not already a VIP member, you can still join to make sure you are taking advantage of the biggest savings and exclusive new products. So from everyone here, have a fantastic Christmas and a very, very happy new year, and we will see you in 2025.